Let's see how to factory reset Windows 11 and erase everything. If you delete everything, your personal information may be lost, photos, videos, and therefore back up your data before doing this.